Okay, so I can't come to a caravan show ever really without stopping by the Goldstream stand. People who have been following my work over a long period of time know that I like Goldstream, so sue me. This is a brand new model from this manufacturer. It's part of the CPX range, which is Goldstream's full fiberglass sandwich panel construction caravans. Rear Club Lounger, a number of new features when it comes to this caravan, but it's the layout that really catches my eye. So it's a 22-foot tandem axle caravan, cup holders in that Rear Club Lounge. Now, one thing about this layout is, look, I mean, it's a huge split bathroom area, but we've got two large screen TVs that are actually recessed into the wall. Not a brand new idea, but I mean, it looks great. Now, this caravan retails for 150 grand or just over, but here at the show, they've got a sale price of about $140,000. Big, beautiful caravan. It's well priced. It's going to have everything that a comparable caravan for that price has, if not more. And, you know, it's a Goldstream. So from my point of view, you know it's going to last the distance.